Very warm good morning, kids. Today we are studying environmental studies looking around. Welcome to the science class. So, kids, in previous video we had studied few topics of the chapter number 14, the Baswa's farm. Today we are going to continue further. Before proceeding further, let us recall what we had done in this chapter. In this chapter, we are learning about farmer's life. This is the story of a child named Baswa who lives in Bilvanika village of Karnataka. Right? His father is a farmer and he is describing the steps that his father take to grow the onion crops. We had learned the first step of farming, that is preparing the soil. We learned that soil is prepared with the help of tool named khunti. Khunti is an iron rod to dig the soil, loosen it and soften it. The second step of farming that we had learned in the previous part of the video was sowing the seeds. Kurgi is used for sowing the seeds in cultivated land. We had also learned that it is very important to drop the seeds at right amount and at right distance so that all the seeds get enough space to grow. Now, let us proceed to today's topic. Please open your NCERT page number 114. The sprouts appear. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plant have started to sprout. Along with onion plants, weeds have also come up. Weeds grow in the field and gardens without being planted. Appa says that we must remove the weeds so that they do not take up all the water and fertilizers. If there are too many weeds, then the onion plants will not be healthy. Amma, uncle and we all help Appa to take out the weeds. So kids, now we are discussing the third steps of farming. Basically, after 20 days, onion seeds start growing. The growth is visible in form of sprouts. And along with onion crop, there are small unwanted plants that we call as weeds are also grown. It is very important for the farmers to remove that weeds. Otherwise, they will take up all the water and fertilizers from the soil and our main crop will be affected. So, now you can see how onion crops look when they start sprouting. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Now, next step is growing plants. I am happy to see the plants growing. They are tall enough to reach my knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means that onions are ready to be taken out. Do you know, kids, onions are growing below the ground. So whenever the leaves turn yellow and they dry up, this indicate the farmers that the onions are ready to be taken out from the ground, and it is very important to take them out once they grow, once they are ready to be taken out. Otherwise, what will happen? They will get rot inside the ground itself. So this is how leaves look when onions are ready to be taken out. Okay. Do you know why everyone at home will have to work to take the onion out? It is important that this should be done at right time. If we are late, the onion will rot in the ground itself, and all our hard work will be wasted. So as I have told you, it is very important to take out the onion at right time, and that's why all the family members help the farmer to do this work so that their hard work do not get wasted. The onion crop. Everyone at home is happy. This time the onions are big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the iligi to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. The iligi is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. Appa and uncle fill the sacks with the onions. Appa will take them in a truck to sell in the big market. Now, what they are doing, once the onion are taken out, they cut the dried leaves with the help of iligi. See kids, this is how iligi look. It is very sharp tool and that is used to cut the dried leaves. Even vegetables and fruits are also cut with the help of iligi. Okay, so these were the steps of farming. Now it is time for activity. There are some pictures. These pictures are the steps of farming. You have to arrange them and tell and mark the correct order that we had just discussed. Okay, I hope you must have done. Let us check the answer. So first step is preparing the soil. Then farmer sow the seeds. Then they cut the weeds. Then they take out the onion crop. They cut the dried leaves, and after that they fill the onion in the sacks and transport to the market. Very nice. Now it's time for Refer Dictionary. Let us see some of the words that we had learned in this chapter. First word is plow. Instrument used for turning over the soil is called plow. In other words, it is an instrument that is used to prepare the soil. Second word is sowing. To plant the seed by scattering on earth is called sowing. Next word is weeds. The wild, unwanted plant that grows on their own are called weeds. Next word is fertilizer. A substance used to add fertility of the soil is called fertilizer. Next word is khunti. A tool used to dig and loosen the soil is called khunti. Next word is implement. A tool which is used for particular purpose is called implement. I hope kids this chapter is clear to you. Bye bye.